Ever wondered how a tiny, unseen fungus can wreak havoc in our bodies, leading to systemic mycoses? Yes, you heard that right. Systemic mycoses are not your everyday fungal infections. They stealthily infiltrate our internal organs, spreading throughout the body, and if left unchecked, can cause serious health problems. At the heart of these infections are the clever and cunning dimorphic fungi. These microscopic organisms are shapeshifters, transforming based on temperature. When it's cold, around 20 degrees Celsius, they take on a mold form. When the heat rises to body temperature, around 37 degrees Celsius, they morph into yeast. There's only one exception, coccidioids, which instead becomes a spherule in tissue. These fungi are so powerful, they can even form granulomas, much like tuberculosis. However, unlike TB, they can't be transmitted from person to person. Systemic mycoses, though microscopic, can lead to significant health issues if not properly treated. 4 key players are responsible for most cases of systemic mycoses: histoplasmosis, blastomycosis, coccidioidomycosis, and paracoccidioidomycosis. Let's delve a bit deeper. Histoplasmosis, often found in soil and bird or bat droppings, is commonly associated with cave explorers or poultry workers. Blastomycosis, native to moist soil and decomposing matter, has a knack for infiltrating the skin and lungs. Coccidioidomycosis, the only spherule in the group, is indigenous to arid regions like the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. Lastly, we have paracoccidioidomycosis, primarily found in South America, known for its unique pilot's wheel appearance. All these fungi have the capacity to cause pneumonia and disseminate throughout the body. They morph based on temperature. Mold in the cold, yeast in the heat, with coccidioids as the exception. These fungi may seem similar, but each has its unique way of invading our systems and causing disease. Knowing your enemy is half the battle won. And in the case of systemic mycoses, this knowledge includes their geographical distribution and treatment options. Histoplasmosis is most commonly found in the Ohio and Mississippi River valleys, while blastomycosis predominates in the southeastern and south-central states, extending northward into Canada. Coccidioidomycosis, on the other hand, is endemic to the southwestern United States, parts of Mexico and South America. Paracoccidioidomycosis is primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America. Now let's talk about treatment. For local infections caused by these fungi, fluconazole or itraconazole are typically the drugs of choice. But for more severe systemic infections, amphotericin B is often called into action. It's worth noting that these systemic mycoses cannot be transmitted from person to person, unlike tuberculosis. The battle against systemic mycoses is not an easy one, but armed with knowledge and the right treatment, we can combat these invisible invaders. In the grand scheme of life, systemic mycoses may seem insignificant, but these microscopic fungi can have a macroscopic impact on our health. We've explored the main culprits, their unique traits, their geographical stomping grounds, and treatment strategies. Next time you think of fungi, remember that these tiny organisms can create big problems. But with knowledge and vigilance, we can keep systemic mycoses at bay.